In this updated tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook birthday after the limit. Once you change your Facebook birthday, you have to wait another certain period of time to change your birthday again. Normally, it will take about 60 days. Like this, if you try to edit your birthday, you will get this kind of pop-up error. You have recently changed your Facebook birthday. Here, basically, I will show you two different methods to change your birthday. The first method didn't work for you, you can try out the second method. So, come to Account Center. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom. Then, if you are connected to another profile like Instagram, you have to remove first. Basically, you have to remove all other account which is connected to this Facebook account. Like this, tap the remove button. Then, just tap remove account. Tap continue. Now, just tap yes and remove. Then, your Instagram account will be removed. After, if you go to birthday section, you can see there is another option will be added like this. Now they allow you to contact them. So just tap contact us blue color link. Then you will get this birthday changing request form. Here you have to enter or you can set your new Facebook birthday. After that, you can set a reason. Sometimes they ask to upload your ID copy. For the ID copy, you can upload any driving license, passport or any national ID card. After filling out this form like this, you can tap the send button. Then they will start to review. Normally, they will review your request within few hours. But some of you can get this kind of error message. Even it says you have recently changed your birthday. So, if the first method didn't work for you, let's jump into our second method. For the second method, you have to use your Instagram application. Don't use your Facebook application. Open your Instagram application. Then you have to create a new profile. Like this, I will add a new profile. Don't worry, we will delete this profile after fixing our problem. Like this, you can create a new Instagram profile. Here, just enter your username. After that, it asks you to enter your password. They don't ask to enter your new email or phone number. Like this, you can create a new profile by tapping complete sign up. Then you have a new profile. It's not a long process. Then you have to go to birthday section for this Instagram. Like this, tap the hamburger menu. Then you will get this account setup option. Just tap it again. Now just go to personal details under account settings. Then you have to set the birthday, whatever the birthday that you want to change. Here select birthday. Then you can see your birthday. Here tap the edit button. Now here enter the birthday that you want to set as your Facebook birthday. Here I will set my new Facebook birthday like this. Then tap the set button. After selecting your birthday, you have to save it. Tap save it at the bottom, then tap confirm in the pop-up window. Then this birthday will be saved like this. Now close all the application. Then you have to reopen your Facebook application like this. After loading, you can tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Here, either you can tap the little setting icon or you can scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then you will get this account setup option. Now just tap on account center. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you find account. Now you have to add this new Instagram profile to account center like this. You can see the new Instagram profile will be selected automatically like this. If you want, you can add both profiles. But right now I will add only my new Instagram profile. Just change my Facebook birthday. So just tap continue. Here you have to select your birthday that you want to set as your Facebook birthday. You can see your new birthday here. I will select the birthday that I want to select. Then I will tap continue. Then I will just tap finish add-in button. Now just wait a few seconds. After loading, you can see both Facebook and Instagram has been added to Meta Account Center. Then if you go back and check your Facebook birthday, you can see your new Facebook birthday is there. You can see. Now you can remove or delete your newly created Instagram profile. Like this, you can remove this profile from the account center. Like this, I will make it quick. Then after removing, if you want, you can add your old Instagram profile to account center. Like this, even if you remove your new profile, your birthday will not be changed. Then you can go back to account. After that, you can add your old Instagram profile. Then you can deselect your older one. Like this, you can select your new Facebook birthday again. Then just tap continue. Now on, you can use your new Facebook birthday. So these are the only two possible ways to fix this problem. Sometimes the first method you might work, but it didn't work for you, you can try out the second method. If there are any update or if I found a new method, I will put that updated video link in this video description, or you can just click this end screen video and come on over. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.